Stop paying expensive hosting fees. Right now, you can start your website with up to 85% off on hosting or hosting plans. And that's not even the best part. With this special hosting or coupon deal, you also get an extra 20% discount on billing, plus 3 months of hosting absolutely free. So if you've been thinking about starting a blog, online business, portfolio, or personal website, this is the perfect opportunity. Hostinger is one of the most popular hosting providers in the world, trusted by millions of website owners because it offers fast performance, powerful features, and an easy-to-use control panel. Even beginners can launch their website in just a few minutes. And here's something even better. Hostinger gives you a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try the hosting completely risk-free. If you're not satisfied, you can get your money back within 30 days. Now here's how you can claim this offer. Simply click the link in the description, go to the Hostinger website, choose your hosting plan, and the discount coupon will automatically apply at checkout. That means you instantly unlock 85% off, an extra 20% discount, and 3 months free hosting. But remember, these promotional offers can expire anytime, so make sure you grab the deal while it's still available. Click the link in the description now and start building your website today. Thank you for listening.